Hello everybody, how you doing out there in the YouTube world? We got one last pour for tonight. I've done a few and I just took every little bit that was left over, poured it into one cup, added a little white, a little black, a little more silicone, just threw everything in one cup, and that's what's gonna get you this right here. This nice, look at that, nice little mixture. We're just gonna do a flip. I want to do a flip. Sometimes I pour, yeah, I'm gonna do a flip, and then I'm also going to, no, you know what? I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm flipping, I'm sorry, decisive, indecisive, I know. So, there we go. Got a nice flip going on there. We'll let it sit for a second. Do a little tappy tap, tap it in, just tap it in. And, let's see here, what am I gonna do? The question is, do I just lift it up or do I move it around? I think I'm going to just lift this one up. I like how it just kind of blew all over the place. That's the technical term. When you do a flip cup and you lift it up, the technical term is blew. That's what the term is. So now you know, bell to bow. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, jeez. That is definitely, whoops. That is definitely a mixture there. My gosh, look at that, little yellows coming through. That's pretty cool, I like it. All right, so let's start working it around the map. Working it around the map. Get it over here. Get a little bit over here. And obviously you gotta eventually just let it start going off the side, but I always try to get as much as I can on there before I start doing it. And also, what you do here, it gets a little messy, but you kind of put your finger there, and it keeps it, and you can kind of save any parts you might like. Oh man, see, I kind of don't want to lose that black, but I'm going to have to, because there's not much you can do about that. Shoot, I really like this part right here, this black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Alright. Oh, don't lose it. Let's try to bring that back. Bring that beat back. Yeah. Ooh, I kind of like how it's, you know what? I kind of like that just like that. I like that. How it's like not broke up right there, but it really is on that top. Man, I couldn't have done that if I tried. I am going to leave it. I know I always say that and I start messing with it more. I know. But I am really going to leave it this time because I really like that. Get the sides there, make sure all little pieces of white canvas are covered. Yep. Yeah, that was really a quick one. I kind of wanted this part to go down more, but then I was afraid it'd break it. You know what? I don't want to drip on it. Where's my rag? Here we go. Am I still recording? Yep, okay. Yeah, I like that. How that is really cool. How it's all smooth up there, and then all the cells are down there. Interesting, Batman. What's going on there? Okay, I thought that was a bubble. I probably just ruined that little tiny cell that was there. That looked really cool. Oh well. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Yeah. That looks like two different pieces in one. Man, if I was trying to do, I don't think I could do that if I tried. I think this is going to be the first one that I don't mess with, or I don't change anything or do anything or keep turning it back and forth. This is the first one where I'm just straight up happy with. Can I get you guys a little closer? Nope. All right, give me 1 second. Let me take you off here so you can, let me turn you off and I'll be right back so you can see a little closer look here. And we're back. All right, let's get a better look at this. Does that look cool? You got this side with all the cells in there, and it kind of just breaks right at half, and then almost in a perfect diagonal to the corner there, and then it gets all smooth and different up here. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I am digging this one. Really liking this one. Cool, well, I hope you guys like it too. Leave a comment, sub, let me know what you think. And man, Did 4 videos in one night. I did my star one, my sort of landscape one, my who knows what that is one, and then this one. So, really cool projects. I'm happy tonight. Got some good ones out here. Leave a like, sub, share, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one. Let me know what you think about these ones, or this one, whatever. All right, you know what? I gotta go. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Good night, guys.